Are you married? You have a ring in your legs, in your feet. Guys. Maingay lang, company na kasi yan, oh. Warehouse ba? Mag-feed tayo ngayon. Time it's 20:45, so 8:45 PM. 8:45 PM, maliwanag pa. Medyo maingay kasi gawa ng ano yan, oh. Dito kami pumunta sa ano kasi mas marami ditong mga swani. Sa ibang place kasi mga gusi. Nagsasawa na ako sa mukha ng mga gusi. Gusto ko yung swan naman. Wait lang, baby. Ayun pa, fly.
It's like it's resting like that.
Resting? Why is some others? They're not doing
No,
the
they're
same
not
like
doing the
that.
same. You see?
Where?
Seconds here with red ring.
Oh. Ah, yes. Look, the legs. What is that? What do you mean?
Resting.
It's resting. Why? They're not doing nothing. Are they lazy? Are they lazy? Ayoko silang subuan kasi masakit yung kanilang tanga. Ay, huwag yung kutkutin yung paa ko, ah. Bakit yan? Hindi yan pagkain.